Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your hanging issue in your Infinix device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on app management. Here it is app list. You have to click on three dots, show system apps, and here you have to write system, and you have to clear the cache this system, Android system. Then press back. Here it is Android system again. You have to clear the cache, press back, Android system intelligence, clear the cache this, press back. You have to write here Google, and friends you have to swipe down. Here it is Google Play Services. Click on it and clear the cache. It will fix your hanging issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.